early morning, all the PACI members are gathered together as they prepare for the tournament for all the anglers present and compete on the biggest catch of the day.
We are the Pinoy Anglers Club Inc. PACI started 2008. Right now we have more than 100 members.
Reel It, Pundakit. Ito ay term namin sa second fishing competition dito sa group sa PACI. Right now, meron na kaming mga big catches na nahuli at napaweigh in. So, continuous lang to hanggang mamaya pa.
Nakita ko yung friend ko na member siya at nagkaroon ako ng pagkakataon dahil ito yung gusto kong hobby. Kaya nagpa-member agad ako. Sa pinaka-memorable experience ko ng fishing sa Lubang Island. Kung saan nakahuli ako ng dalawa kami ng more than 60 kilos in 2 hours. Supposedly an overnight trip. More or less 8 kilos.
This species is ruby snapper, sagisa sa atin, and this is a lapu-lapu.
Actually, gumagawa kami ng fishing clinic para sa mga beginners. Lalo na pag member na siya, yearly gumagawa kami, once a year gumagawa kami ng fishing clinic. Pwede nyo kaming makontak through Facebook, Pinoy Anglers Club Inc. Hanapin nyo lang sa Facebook, makikita nyo agad yung club na.
We are PACI!